Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. In this video, I will to describe and to difference between Indonesian culture and Malaysian culture. Indonesia is an archipelago that includes more than 17,000 islands inhabited by around 255 million people, a figure that makes Indonesia the fourth most populous country in the world. This figure also implies that lot of culture, ethnic, religions, and linguistic diversity can be found in this country. This culture is very widely from Hindu ritual practice on a daily basis on the island of Bali to the partial enforcement of the Sharia law in Aceh and the Mentawai hunter-gatherer lifestyle. In addition, before the national framework was established, religion in Indonesia experiences separate political and economic histories, a situation that is still visible in the current religious dynamics. The national motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, Unity in Diversity, refers to the country's diverse composition. This motto also shows that even though it is a multicultural society, there is a feeling of true unity in the mind of the heart of the Indonesian people. The next from religion. Religion plays a very important role in Indonesian society and the daily life of its inhabitants. This section in broad outline discusses the main religion in Indonesia, namely Islam, Christianity, including Catholics, Hinduism, and Buddhism. This explanation includes a historical framework and describes the role of religion in Indonesia today. The next culture column. In this series of columns, we try to reveal something related to Indonesian culture, history, politics, and economy. The topics discussed here are different from the mainstream topic we present in this section of the site. This cultural column is used for those who are interested in various disciplines related to Indonesia. Each column can be considered a starting point for reader of how to explore a specific topic. The next is Malaysian culture. Malaysia is a country with number of people who live in a safe and peaceful condition. The two main groups in Malaysia are Malays, Chinese, and Indians. Malays are the large population, making up 54% of Malaysia's population. Malays are a people who are Muslim, speak Malay, and practice Malay culture. Malays have an important influence in the political area in Malaysia. China also represents 25% of the population of Malaysia and live in the big part of the west coast of the peninsula. Most Chinese are Buddhists, tourists or Christians, speak Mandarin, Hokkien, Hakka, Cantonese or Teochew, and are more dominant in the economic field. India also makes up 75% of the population. Most of them of Hindus speak Tamil, Malayalam, and Hindi. Apart from that, there was also Sikh, Serani or Eurasians, and other native people. Malay is the official language of Malaysia, but English is used for commerce. Malaysian music includes traditional and contemporary music played by Malaysian people. Traditional music is heavily influenced by Chinese, Islamic, Indonesian culture. Most musical instruments consist of drum, flutes, gong, and so on. This country has a strong traditional in dance, half of which come from Thai, Indian, and Portuguese. In addition, there are also leather puppets, silat, and craftsmanship such as batik, embroidery, and silver and copper items. Like its people, food in Malaysia is various from heavy foods such as nasi lemak to light one like kuih. The Kingdom of Malaysia has taken the step of defining Malaysian culture through the Basic of Culture of Nationality 1971, which defines that is considered to be official culture, based it on Malay culture and integrates Islamic influence.